The Google Pixel 8a is Google's latest addition to its mid-range smartphone lineup, offering an excellent balance of performance, camera capabilities, AI features, and clean software. As a successor to the Pixel 7a, the Pixel 8a builds on its predecessor with incremental upgrades, making it one of the most well-rounded options in the affordable smartphone segment. The Google Pixel 8a offers a distinctive design and solid build quality for its price range, focusing on functionality, aesthetics, and durability. It features a combination of matte, recycled aluminum and polycarbonate materials, giving it a premium feel while maintaining affordability. The matte textured back provides a modern, minimalistic look and reduces fingerprints, enhancing its usability. Build-wise, the Pixel 8a employs Gorilla Glass 3 for protection, which has shown some susceptibility to scratches without tempered glass. Despite this, the device remains durable with its balanced mix of metal and plastic elements. Additionally, the Pixel 8a prioritizes ease of use with rounded edges and a design that fits comfortably in hand, contributing to its user-friendly experience. The Google Pixel 8a features a 6.1-inch 1080 by 2400 OLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, offering smoother visuals compared to its predecessor. It has a peak brightness of 2000 nits, ensuring clear visibility in bright conditions, and a pixel density of 430 ppi. The display supports HDR10 for better color depth and contrast. This makes the Pixel 8a's display one of the most impressive in its mid-range lineup. The Google Pixel 8a features a capable dual-camera system. On the back, it has a 64MP main sensor paired with a 13MP ultra-wide lens, providing a versatile photography experience. The camera system prioritizes features like RAW shooting, Ultra HDR, and advanced portrait modes for versatile shooting options. The ultra-wide camera is limited when it comes to close-ups, as it lacks autofocus, but the main camera excels for detailed shots. The Google Pixel 8a features a 13MP front-facing camera and 1.12mm pixel size. It offers a 20mm ultra-wide lens for capturing broader angles, and it supports HDR and panorama modes for enhanced photo versatility. In terms of video, the front camera supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Google Pixel 8a offers reliable mid-range performance powered by Google's Tensor G3 chip. While the Tensor G3 isn't the fastest silicon compared to Qualcomm or Apple's flagship chips, it provides a smooth user experience in daily tasks and general usage. Benchmarks show it performs competitively, with Geekbench 6 scoring 1621 in single-core and 4277 in multi-core, outperforming its predecessor, the Pixel 7a. Graphics performance is also strong, with scores like 2419 in the 3D Mark Extreme test, highlighting good gaming capabilities for its price range. The Google Pixel 8a comes with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM and offers 128GB or 256GB of storage depending on the variant. It's powered by the Google Tensor G3 processor, and it includes AI features and other premium aspects from the higher-end Pixel 8 series. Additionally, it runs on Android 15 with Google's commitment to provide 7 years of software updates. The Google Pixel 8a is equipped with a 4,492 mAh battery. This provides an impressive 24+ hours of battery life under normal usage. It supports 18W wired charging and 7.5W Qi wireless charging. While the Pixel 8a's battery life is solid, it falls short compared to some higher-end flagships but is more than sufficient for daily use. The Pixel 8a runs Android 14 with Google's signature stock Android experience. Google's clean UI ensures no bloatware and seamless updates directly from the company. Pros: Pixel's imaging capabilities shine, especially in low-light conditions. Stock Android with regular security updates. Smooth scrolling and a responsive display. Google's advanced AI tools like Google Assistant and Translate. Comfortable to hold and easy to use with one hand. Cons: at 4,500 mAh, it could have a larger battery compared to competitors. Limited to its internal storage options. Slightly more expensive than some competitors in the mid-range market. Conclusion: The Google Pixel 8a is an impressive device that offers a compelling mix of camera performance, AI capabilities, display quality, and smooth software. It's perfect for users who value Google's ecosystem, a clean user experience, and excellent photography performance without breaking the bank.